Okay. Okay. There you go. Here you go. There you go. Oh! Oh!
Good job. Good job.
That might be more of a gift for Donna, but you know, we'll see.
Oh, for camping and on the road.
Oh, cozy.
All right. Cigarette lighter.
That way.
Bring it to Daddy. You want to bring this to Daddy?
That is cool.
Isn't that neat?
On my
I've
road
never
trip.
seen anything like that.
For someone that likes to sleep at rest stops.
Yeah.
He's trying to forget he can't.
Hey Thomas, can you put this in the box? Will you put this in the box?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Pickle. Who's Pickle? Pickle has a gift from Santa. What is your mother? Oh.
Can't hurt himself with that.
Want this?
Look how strong he is.
Help me open this one? Can you help open this one? This one's for you from Santa Claus. Santa.
Gonna throw it in the box.
We haven't opened it yet. Here. Who's that? Who is that? Wow. Yeah, no. Like that. You keep that. Look at that. Change the colors. What are you working on? With Elmo now. Wow, that is nice. Yay. Okay.
You want to put that on the table there?